Hello, my name is Sander and welcome back to another video about the UFPS integration. Today I'm going to show you how to create a complete new character with UFPS, the UFPS manual. You can find this online and there's everything yeah, explained how to create an FPS player from scratch. And we're going to do this here now. So if you want to read this, you can just go online and just check it out or click on the README of UFPS and you get a link there. Um, you have to be sure that when you create something from scratch or my inventory system from scratch, you have to be sure that you have ticked this on. Otherwise, you will have problems. Also, actually, when you have created one before, you have to do everything from scratch on now. So you have to create everything new because you're missing some scripts from me which you need. Um, okay, but the rest, the item database and the blueprint are the same, and yeah, you got this key codes so you can change them. Okay, let's create the player now. If you haven't created a scene from the scratch, be sure that you have be sure and check out my playlist, my YouTube playlist, and do it. It is way much better to understand the system behind it. Otherwise, you will have problems. Okay, we're gonna create an empty game object which we call player and tag it as player. Maybe this is not in the manual of UFPS, but I need it. And we also create a new one which is called camera and tag this as main camera. This is very important, don't forget this, and we need to add some scripts now from UFPS. This is the first person camera, and we need here the first person input and the first person controller. Okay, when we have done this, we need to position near our terrain. I just copy paste one of them, and when we start this now, oops, there's a non-reference exception. Oops, yeah, I know why. You can just ignore this now. Yeah, we can run around, we can open whatever you want, whatever we want. So the reason was because I actually have tested everything. So yeah, we got this now, and you saw when you tick this on and you do not have UFPS, you see you run in problems because yeah, you need some other scripts. So what we do now is we're gonna add a weapon. We're gonna create a new game object, empty game object, and call it like which weapon you want, pistol in my example, and we're gonna add a new script to it. It is the first weapon, and we need to add now the prefab to it. Just go to the prefabs of a UFPS and weapons HD or weapons. There are the weapons in, and I want to have the pistol 01. Actually, it's looking better. And just open rendering folder out and drag and drop this there in. And yeah, this is firstly it. And now you will probably see we start and we got this weapon now. And okay, you see maybe the rendering position or the position is maybe not the best one. We're just gonna adjust it now, so that this is probably looking better. I just leave it like this, I guess. Maybe not the best position, but it's okay. Okay, I copy this. Otherwise the values are gone. So okay, perfectly. Now we need to add a weapon camera. Just create an empty game object again. This needs to be a child of the camera itself, so like this, and call it weapon camera. Now we need to go to component rendering, and we need to add a camera, and that's all. Okay, the next thing which we have to do is we need to add some our inventory scripts to the player. We need the player inventory because actually we couldn't open our inventories. Just drag and drop this there. Be sure that you have seen my videos so that you understand what I'm doing here now. And now I can open everything which I want. But you probably see we cannot drag and drop anything. This is why what we have to change now. Add the UFPS player script from me. Everything which is UFPS underscore players or something UFPS underscore anything is from me. And we need to add this to the player. We need to add the player inventory of UFPS. This is this one here. And we need to have a weapon handler. Oops, weapon handler, this one. And yeah, now we need to enable the item caps and add all the items which you want to have in your FPS or in your integration. I just add all. We don't use everyone, we use 2 items I guess, and I show you how this works also with the rest one. Okay, when we got this, you have to delete the item records because this is very important. And now we also go back to our pistol. We need to add some other things in here. We need a reloader, a weapon reloader normally, but yeah, we take the first person weapon reloader, sorry. And sound reload, there's a reload, pistol reload, and yeah, the animation, if you have no animation, just leave it blank. I leave it blank now. Then we also need another script which is called first person weapon shooter. We need to add the projectile to it. Just open the projectile folder out and you use for pistol bullet, I guess, is it for the pistol? Yeah, pistol bullet. Sound needs to be like pistol fire. This one. And now we got our projectiles and our sounds, and we need a item identifier from UFPS. Add this as well and add the item type of it to it. So actually I want the pistol 01, and yeah, now we're gonna create a game object of it. Go to the IM manager and let me go to item database. Let me delete the old one which I've created before. Delete item and create a new one and call it pistol. Now this is the important part now. Be sure that you understand it. So this name has to be the same name. So when you click on this item identifier and click on the item type of UFPS, you have to be sure that this display name is the same name of the item name here in my system. So this is not case sensitive, so you can write cases big or small, however you like. I call it pistol 01 now. Actually, because I want to show you the advanced player and the Euro HD weapons player as well. And this needs a description. So this is UFPS pistol, and then we need an item icon. When you go to the GUI here and then HUD and just take all them and set the texture type to sprite 2D and UI and apply it, and then you can take the sprite or the item icon of it. So pistol, and now we need a game object. So every UFPS part has to be tagged to UFPS underscore anything. So actually in this part is it a weapon, we got no rarity, no item attributes, and that's it. I just take this away now again, and this should be it. We only need to add our item to it. Didn't I save it? Seems I didn't. We have created already one. So there's it. We started. And yeah, we can everything do now. We can drag and drop it. We can open everything else, but this is not important now. When I right click now, you see, oops, there's the weapon. We have no ammo in it now. This is the problem now. So the next step which we have to do is we gonna create our bullets for the system which we need. So we go back to our inventory system again, create a new item. In our example, it is the bullet. We also be sure wait, we just go to the item types again, ammo, and you see there are three different kinds of bullets. Also, you have to be sure here that the name of the item has to be the same name as the display name. So when you create bullet, be sure that the name is the same as the display name. The item type has to be UFPS ammo then, and yeah, I don't create everything now from here because actually I've already created this, and yeah, after this you will have yeah this item here, this bullet here, and yeah, it has a max stack of 900, and yeah, so actually it's stackable, and yeah, when you have done this, you be gonna just add our player the bullets. Where are the bullets? I just overread them. Bullet there, and we add 50 bullets. Add item, and it is on now, or on the character now, and start it. And reload. Now we got our weapon here. You see nothing is working here. Just right click on it. You see, you hear it's reloading. You see, you probably see there is no. There was no animation because yeah we didn't set an animation. But you see we can shoot now, and you see there's actually at the moment it is the capacity of 19 I guess, yeah, of the weapon. And when we open our item records, you see the pistol has 12 units left. And when we go back to play mode and press R, or you also can just drag and drop this there, you can right click on it and you reload like this. Only the rest, so the missing bullets are just getting reloaded, so you don't change the complete clip. So actually 12 plus 7 and you're full again. And when we shoot again now, we can also just press 1 now from the keycode of the hotbar and reload. So this is working how it's yeah, this is how it works. We're gonna create another weapon now, and the machine gun or the assault rifle, whatever. We're gonna yeah, whatever we want. And yeah, you probably see it is not the best recoil. This is something which you have to sort out on your own. Yeah. Okay, we gonna create the machine gun now. I guess we're gonna create the assault rifle. Yeah. Uh, I've already done this. You can just check this now here. Um, yeah, wait, where is it? So I've created the assault rifle in my item database. Where was it? There. The assault rifle here, it has a called assault rifle. It has an icon on it, UFPS weapon as the item type, and that's all from it. Okay. Okay. The next step which we need to do is we need to create a new weapon again. Create an empty one. Just drag and drop this there and call it assault rifle. Oops. Assault rifle. Add every script which we have used there from the pistol. Just add them all here. So like weapon reloader. So first person weapon reloader. We need also have the item identifier. Item identifier, this one. Let me just check what we also need. Shooter, reloader. Oh, we also need the shooter. Yeah, first person weapon shooter. Perfectly. And add the projectile again. I don't know. I guess is there one for the? I'm not 100% sure. I guess I take the pistol bullet, machine gun bullet, pistol bullet. It's probably the machine gun bullet. I guess it's okay. So then we need the sound to shoot. It is the assault rifle or machine gun. There's machine gun. No reload, no fire. Yeah. Okay. Then we need a reload sound. Reload. machine gun reload perfectly. Whoops, this was not intended. Okay, then we need our rendering. We need to go to the UFPS again, content, prefabs, weapon HD, and there should be the assault rifle. Just drag and drop it there. And I guess that's all. We only need to add the weapon now to our inventory. That's the assault rifle, add item, and just drag and drop. We do not have any bullets now at the moment. So I guess I forgot something. Because actually, yeah, we cannot gear the weapon. Oh yeah, sure, the item identifier. Be sure that you have also the assault rifle on it. We just check the name now, assault rifle. The item is also assault rifle, so everything should be fine now. Drag and drop. And whoops, yeah, the position is not good. I know, but yeah, it's now only for the explanation. Okay, this works, so we can swap around. So you see that the character system swaps the weapons. Be sure that you have one slot in your equipment system that is tagged as UFPS weapon, otherwise you cannot gear them. Then now we want to create the bullets. Just go to the item database and add them. I've already done this, so there's the machine gun bullet. Also max stack of 900. Item name is the same of the item type of the machine gun bullets. So we go to ammo, machine gun bullets. So be sure that they are both equal. And now I'm gonna add them. Machine gun bullet 50. Add item, and I'm gonna start now. And I just drag everything down here perfectly. I reload and shoot. Yeah, the reload, the recoil and everything else is not perfectly. Yeah, maybe it's not the perfect way, but you have to, how I said, you have to just figure it out how your position, how the best settings are for you, or which are the best settings for you. Okay, now this is, I guess, everything. I just show you how it's working with the Hero HD weapons player. The only thing which I've done, if you are looking for it, just Hero HD, oops, Hero HD weapons. Where is it? Where's the player? I guess it's prefabs. Where was it? Ah, you also could do this. Advanced player. This is the advanced player. Just add it if you want. And here is also somewhere the Hero HD player. I don't know, where is it? It's somewhere. So I guess it's this one. It could be. I'm not 100% sure. It's somewhere, but it exists. Yeah, it exists. So the only thing which you have to do, you have to just add the UFPS player script, the player inventory. Just drag and drop this the parts in it. And yeah, everything else is getting just managed. I'm just using not this. I want to use the advanced player. I guess they are all weapons on. I guess yeah. I already created some items. So you see I have a pistol, assault rifle, shotgun, grenade thrower, machine gun, mace, and I just add all now. Grenade, I want to have 5 grenades, add item. I want to have a shotgun, one shotgun with some shotgun shells, like 20, and I want to have a mace, so it's a melee weapon. What I want to have as well, yeah, machine gun as well. It is using the machine gun bullets as well, so I just need to add them now. They're both having the same icon, don't be surprised. I want to be on maximize play. Okay, also here already it's yeah, UFPS also already created or added some of the sounds. I just gear it now, and it is only prefab. I've done nothing for it, so it's reloading, and you also saw there's the reloading script. and then you can just shoot around. Let me take another. Let me just drag and drop everything down here. Guess it's the best thing. Weapon, the grenades. Now you can just take another weapon in the hand, and you will see that 42 left ammo will just drop in your inventory. You see, it doesn't disappear from, I don't know, nowhere, or it just disappears. Just reload. You just can right click and shoot around. Let me take the mace in the hand, and yeah, you can hit now with it. We can throw a grenade. With 5, just throw it, and we get the old weapon back. We can reload it and shoot with a shotgun. Yeah, that's all about the UFPS integration. Actually, it is very easy to do. You only have to be sure that the name of the item type or the display name of the item type from UFPS is the same as the item name of my script, of my item database, and that's all. And I hope you liked it. Yeah, see you later then to the next videos when you want some. Bye.